We're at the Tanger outlets in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to take you on a tour and show you everything they have to offer. First, let's take a look at the directory. So you can see this is a very large shopping complex and they have a ton of stores. If you can't read this, you can also check their website, but we're going to go by and show you all the stores that they have. First, we've got Under Armour, and we've got the Fudgery. Across the way here, we've got Tory Burch, Nautica, The Loft. Got a sign here about their water splash pad is closed right now. If you're wondering where the people are, we are here before they open just to make it easier to walk around. If you're not familiar with the outlet here, sometimes you can find just as good of deals at the mall. Sometimes you can find really good deals here. It just varies. There's the Columbia store. Got Vineyard Vines. Vans outlet. Also, it varies from store to store. So you see they've got a 70% off over there. Some stores have really good sales. Other stores tend to have mostly what you would find again at a mall store. Got Oakley Vault, Van Heusen, Talbot's, Pepper Palace, New York and Company, Palmetto Moon, Hanes, and down here on the end is a large Old Navy. And also another example is the Disney store, which we'll pass. The Disney store here is mostly just like the Disney store you see at the mall, except they do have a small clearance section that a lot of times has items that are from Disneyland and that they are pretty deeply discounted. So you can get some good deals there. North Face, here's the large Old Navy. And the Old Navy, again, you might find good prices here, you might find good prices at the mall, but this is a huge store. It's a lot bigger than most of the mall stores. There's Tommy Hilfiger. Got a Starbucks. And then over here, you've got North Face. Also, the layout of this is a little unusual, and I find it, I have pretty good sense of direction. I find it easy to get turned around here. There's Skechers, and I'm gonna keep going in this direction. So they do have the equivalent of a food court. The market hall, it's closed right now, so we can't go in, but just know that you can get some food here if you are shopping and you get hungry. There's Carter's Babies. Here's the Tanger Shopper Services, which is, I assume, like their guest services. Coach of New York, Kate Spade, Vera Bradley, Sperry. And as you can see, a good part of this is covered. It provides shade, and also if it's raining, it keeps you dry. Some of it's not covered, but a lot of it is. The Children's Place, Finish Line, there's Journeys, the Uniform Outlets, Salt Life, Express Men Factory Outlet, Direct Tools, Myrtle, Steve Madden, Sports Fanatics, got Rack Room Shoes, Sand and Sun, My Cup, Jared Vault. Got a Ben and Jerry's over here. Spartina, Echo, and then down at the end, we've got a Vanity Fair, Lee, and Wrangler outlet. That's all one store. It's very, very big. Next up is the Gap factory store. Lids, which is a hat store. Cellmax. Toyland. And that's another thing I want to mention. You'll see some stores that are the same at, say, like Broadway at the Beach too. I think there's a Toyland there, and there's also the Pepper Palace. You'll see some overlap between that and Barefoot Landing, Broadway at the Beach. Here's the Banana Republic factory store. New Balance. Ann Taylor. And then over here we've got Calvin Klein, Tommy Bahama, got 50% off there, George Norman, Clark's Outlet. Clark's makes some comfortable shoes. Francesca's, the white and black store. The Cosmetics Company store. Hager Factory store. Lucky Brand Outlet. Lululemon. Rue 21. Quiet Storm Surf Shop. Southern Connection. Aerie. Asics. Hollywood Heroes and Villains. That's another store you'll find at Broadway at the Beach. Claire's Outlet. American Eagle Outfitters. Jockey. Really bright sun. It's a beautiful day today. Another gorgeous day in Myrtle Beach. Here's Fossil. Try to get out of the sun here. J. Crew. Talbot's. And then down here you've got K Jewelers Outlet, a sunglasses store, Coastal Sunglasses, Bare Beauty Minerals, and there's that Skechers that we saw earlier, Michael Kors, Bath and Body Works, Famous Footwear Outlet. Now we're coming up to a Sunglasses Hut, Oshkosh, and the Crux Outlet Store, Brooks Brothers Factory Store, Reebok, Simply Southern, Champion, got the Fragrance Outlet, here's the Disney store that I mentioned. So as I said, it's very much like a store you would see at the mall, except that they do have some of those clearance items that are different. Adidas. Definitely got a lot of signs up about social distancing, and they also have these signs saying to wear masks when you're here. We got H&M. And the H&M store is another one of the larger stores. There is a H&M at Coastal Grand Mall here in Myrtle Beach as well. Ralph Lauren. This outlet is located just off 17, and it's near the border between Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach, and I will put the actual street address on the screen right now while I'm talking so that you can look it up and map your route to get here. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.